Otherwise, like, Easton would be like stationary at Henry's, but in the Seattle.
I gotcha.
Okay, he's sleeping.
You can also put the step on the
He's
back.
almost asleep.
So like a big kid can ride on the back.
I
was just gonna say.
They like.
Big gas.
Oh, really?
I'm like, why would you even guess that?
Well, so when we went for his.
Oh, the discrimination against my shoes.
So might have something right.
So we're done at the brewery. Now we're checking out downtown Oak Bluffs, me and Henry. Suzi J. There she is. There's Mama. Just hanging out. There's Mama. Alright. We cut through that driveway. Oak Bluff. Alright. Hear that, Henry? Hang on. Going for a ride. So we've cut through this neighborhood of all these cute little houses. Well, 20-minute walk from our place we're staying. Nice and quiet. Susu. Henry got mistaken as a girl again. Time to cut his hair. And we're throwing these sandals away. It's the last voyage of these things. Had them for almost 2 years. They stink.
Disgusting.
Move up, buddy. What do you see? What are you pointing at? Land ho. Where we going? What do you see? Use your words. What do you see? The flower? You like those purple flowers?
Those big flowers.
What else you see? Yeah. Last day here in the vineyard. We are heading back to the mainland. We're waiting in line for the water ferry. It's been quite the adventure. We've seen some alpacas, we're on a sailboat, ate some food. There we go. Just waiting to get back on the boat like we did last time. Fun, fun, fun. Ferry we're going on. It's crazy, just parked. It just pulls in. Is it spinning? Oh, it's turning. Oh yeah, that's right, because the cars are facing the other direction. It's like driving through the front of the boat. This guy's gonna turn the boat around. He's gonna back it inside between those two pieces of wood. They got a big tractor trailer on that one too. See it right there with the tractor trailer. See the front end, back of the boat. There it goes. Right in between the two posts. Back down, no problem at all. Like what? I know, right? Well, we made it on the boat, and boy, is it rocky.
Very rocky.
Little man
Snoozing.
We get the roof off so we get some ventilation. Everything's nice and calm.